When it comes to keeping your home clean, the noise of a traditional vacuum can be a deal breaker, especially for pet owners and families with young children. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 quiet handheld vacuums of 2026 that promise powerful suction without the disruptive noise. Each product we're comparing has been selected for its performance, ease of use, and unique features. Stay tuned to find out why our top pick, the Pemacom Portable Handheld Vacuum Cordless, stands out from the rest. Don't forget to subscribe. Links in the description below will help you find the best prices. Aspiron Cordless Handheld Vacuum. The Aspiron Cordless Handheld Vacuum is an excellent choice for those who need a lightweight device for quick cleanups. Weighing only a few pounds, this vacuum is perfect for everyday spills and crumbs, making it ideal for busy households or apartments. With a powerful motor delivering impressive suction for its size, it tackles both hard surfaces and carpets with ease. The cordless design adds to its convenience, allowing you to reach those tricky spots without being tethered to an outlet. However, the battery life can be a bit limited, so it may require more frequent recharges during larger cleaning tasks. Handheld Vacuum Cordless. This handheld vacuum cordless is designed for users who value portability and ease of use. With its sleek design and powerful suction capabilities, it's perfect for cleaning up after pets or dealing with dirt on the go. The vacuum comes with various attachments, including a crevice tool and brush, making it versatile for different cleaning needs. Imagine quickly grabbing this vacuum to clean up pet hair from your couch or car seats without fumbling with a long cord. While it performs admirably, some users have noted that it could benefit from a slightly larger dustbin to minimize the frequency of emptying. BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster, Furbuster, Pet Hair Vacuum with Motorized Pet Hairbrush, Handheld Vacuum Cordless for Home and Car, Rechargeable, Portable Powerful Suction, AdvancedClean, HHVK 515, JP07. The BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Furbuster is specifically tailored for pet owners who need a reliable solution for tackling fur and dander. This vacuum features a motorized pet hairbrush that effectively lifts even the most stubborn hair from furniture and carpets. It's cordless and lightweight, ensuring you can move from room to room without hassle. With its powerful suction and easy-to-empty dustbin, this vacuum is perfect for quick cleanups between regular vacuuming sessions. On the downside, its specialized features might make it slightly bulkier than other handheld options, but for pet owners, the trade-off is worth it. Powerful cordless handheld vacuum cleaner, 16,000 pounds. This powerful cordless handheld vacuum cleaner boasts an impressive suction power of 16,000 pounds, making it one of the strongest handheld vacuums on the market. Ideal for those who want a powerful yet quiet vacuum for both home and car cleaning, it effectively handles everything from crumbs to dirt with ease. Its long battery life allows for extended cleaning sessions without needing a recharge. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, making it easy to clean hard-to-reach areas. However, potential buyers should be aware of its slightly heavier weight compared to other models, which might not be ideal for everyone. Pemacom Portable Handheld Vacuum Cordless. The Pemacom Portable Handheld Vacuum Cordless is our top choice for 2026, and it's easy to see why. This vacuum combines powerful suction with a whisper-quiet operation, making it perfect for any household. Its compact design allows for easy storage, and the cordless feature means you can take it anywhere, from the living room to the car. With a variety of attachments included, it's versatile enough to tackle any mess, whether it's pet hair or crumbs. Users rave about its efficient filtration system, that captures allergens, enhancing indoor air quality. The only minor drawback is that it may take slightly longer to recharge than some competitors, but its performance definitely makes it worthwhile. Thank you for watching our countdown of the top 5 quiet handheld vacuums for home in 2026. Each of these options brings something unique to the table, catering to different needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might be looking for the perfect vacuum. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the best deals on these products. Happy cleaning!